kwanza one thing ko igento kuri mid-term review.
Yes.
Mid-term review. Number yemu. UDA is a very strong party. Yendonda gote is a very strong party. Ibwata bajumbe bane. Kisi out of the 9 constituencies.
Yes.
Asaba MCA ntokore tibuye because it out of 45 it wanyeta wa MCA batano. But gokorigiriri gusiye ito. Gusiye ito nturi kulchitwa ka suti. Eketo gwaka chikura ye cheito ngochora turabarai.
Yes.
Eto kurigiririo burai twachora burai burubya. So igega serie suti ntunturi gwaka gusigaiga. So in matters say SCMCA duchite nyore bange but we are 9.
Yes.
As a county assembly bonaiga bali to kwana out of 71 eturikianda. How are we doing bonaiga? Bonaiga abajumbe baito bane wansinto babwate and in MPs bari bara aligned na Kenya Kwanza go say broad-based government.
Yes.
Our numbers are increasing. Because in Toroche kurige sabari chigato kunya gwaka gusigaiga norocho muske manduku oyochore tuna ODM ngo tarare na intwe nocho mu women rep donya oyochore tuna wiper no ale agutara ni broad-based government yeyiga noroche abasike bonzi a good number. Bono in terms of ababunge we are gaining.
Okay.
Ekerego cha CMC insaiga our numbers are not working right
At all.
At all. And the reason our numbers are not working right situation nere ya chaga nande yunte byo mwanchu murigiriri nkagari murayo ndibwensi yogo cha sore ko saba none kura go se ko gota ininta tekento kete yakuro kigenta okorere embe onere ya jire nekero monta gotenina ase podium wananchi bara muburi nkia kolire ase ward yae watulerieta abananchi bamuhakira chinkobi igaba ntabaga bonsi biro chibakunye kuibisa maigaiga ne chinkobi bakoliya saba nanchi bakoliye style abananchi bako bairani ochibunge igo barorine nembe onero barigirina inkoenda so mwananchi nkwaniriete gete ngwakirunde chinkobi and that is the reality. But tikanta itoko gotebie kintekino etubwate 48 governments.
Yes.
1 national government and 47 county governments. Omo MCA a role ya ere county government kusigaiga. So ekere omo bungo ko mobori gore amagenderero o ko mobori amagenderero ko mobori president kiyakolire. Omo MCA kero ko mobori gore amagenderero o ko mobori omugabano gonki yakolire kiyakolire. So you will find that a number of MCAs nko bara aligned with yeso mugavana.
Yes.
Erinde amagendera agenda steward chabo. I'll still remain very truthful. Tarine tuwa ruziri numbers. Some of them will tell you the truth. Oikabai ranensega amagendera koleki bagende batumye ko eberia amagendera likiri chiward chabo. Abande eba pimete batete kolige nanga ibintu bigo chiguchi. Umeta abantu mbali batabwate decision. Batabare bakoro kulukwam na mundu otari muri rakiteri mukendo buna bone gamanye tekiro mundu amete na bwali no yo UDA nje abantu mamete bwali no yo UDA tinko nyara ko ba UDA nto ko DM nto kekia magete nto mikia magete no engo to kenyombe yemo. So there is that imbalance.
Okay.
That is why okora members of the national government there are a lot of them very aligned to Kenya Kwanza.
Okay.
Gokorigiri members of the county assembly, a lot of them ever aligned with Mugavana. Mugavana is yet to give direction. When the governor gives direction,
yes,
direction na aligere left, you will see siasa yako